I'll be teaching you all EVS, right? Today, instead of directly jumping into a chapter, let's do an activity. So, quickly run and get a handkerchief. Yours, your parents, anybody's will. Bring a handkerchief. We'll first take 2 equal pieces of sticks, okay? And with the help of your parents, stick or tie these like this. Can you see? Okay? And then take another pair of sticks and do the same thing. Okay? Now we have 2 pairs of sticks tied up like this. Right? Now keep these apart and then take another piece and we will be placing it on top of this. Okay? Let me show you. It will be like this. Okay. Can you see? So this is how our tent, the structure of our tent is going to be. Here I have already made one end yet. Okay. Can you see? So I have taken 2 for the front, 2 for the back and then 1 to join these 2. So once my structure is ready, now I am going to place my handkerchief on top of this. There. Here's my handkerchief, right? So now I actually want to make a tent. So let's try it out. Isn't this supposed to be the shape of a tent? So now, yeah, ready? It's not staying. Let's try once again, okay? I recognize it. But it's not staying. What to do? I want to make a tent, no? Look what I got. I have sticks with me. Can these help me make my tent? Why not? Come on, let's try it. Okay, so how is that when I tried it only with my handkerchief, the tent did not stand, and when I used sticks along to support the cloth, it actually stays. What do we learn from this? So, something for it to stand by itself, it actually needs a support, something to hold it, right? So, the same thing happens with our physical body. And by now I think you're sure of which chapter we are dealing with? Yes, bones and muscles, chapter 5, right? So we are talking about bones and muscles. Our muscles are like this cloth that I have put on top. It covers the bones, but it cannot stand on itself. It cannot stand by itself, right? So we need our bones to actually support our muscles to stay. But what is ma'am talking? Muscles, bones? मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, right? Now watch a video and then we'll come back.
Bones and muscles. Do you know what our body is made up of? Our body is made up of bones and muscles covered by the skin. Feel your left arm with the fingers of your right hand. The hard thing in the middle are the bones, and the soft flesh around them is formed by the muscles. The skin covers the whole body on the outside. Bones and muscles give form and shape to the body. Do you know there are 206 bones in our body? There are more than 500 muscles in our body.
Okay children, So I hope you understood the video, right? What our bones do, how they look like, and how our muscles look like, and what they do, right? Did you also see that we have more than 200 bones in our body and more than 500 muscles? So now, open your books to page number 45. There. Can you see this picture? Yes. There's a boy given, and you will have to name the parts of the body. So take the help of this box over here. Can you see? Nose, hair, leg, eye, ear, and arm. Now look at this picture of this boy and name each of the parts in the given blanks. Okay? Now turn your pages to page number 46. Keep your finger where we are reading and follow me. Yes? Skeleton. Our body has a framework of bones called the skeleton. It gives shape and support to our body. Without the skeleton, we would not be able to stand straight. It also protects the soft inner parts of our body. More than 200 bones form the human skeleton. Bones are hard and stiff. The place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. So, can you see this, children? This is one bone and this is the other. So, where two bones meet at one point, this joining part is called as a joint. Okay? Look here. This is the neck joint where your head is joined with your neck. And see, your fingers are joined, your ankle, knee. So anywhere in the skeleton where two bones or more meet at one point, that point is called as a joint. Okay? So we'll come back. We can bend our body around the joints. Some of the joints are shown in the picture given here. So these are the pictures showing our joints. Okay? Muscles. Our bones are covered with muscles. Muscles are soft and help us move our bones. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Can you see this part? Okay, this is our muscle. So our bones are covered with these muscles. Okay. So today, children, read the chapter once again and complete the exercise on page number 45. Yes, and you will have to send your homework, the photo of your homework, to me on Flint. Okay? So I will be giving you few words from this chapter that you will have to write 5 times and take a picture of that and send it to me on Flint. Okay? All the best, children. See you then. Bye.